you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alicia's Kitchen. Now in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I prepared my Jamaican brown stew chicken. If you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead and do so. Also to turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post new videos. Now, let us cook. So guys, here I have my mixed parts and I already washed it and cleaned it up. Now I'm going to be adding my seasoning, which includes green bell pepper. I also have some spring onions there. I also have red onions, carrots, I have thyme, and I also have some green scotch bonnet pepper that was sitting in my freezer. I'm just going to be adding all that to the chicken. I'm also going to be adding the regular seasonings. Now for that, we have our Maggi meat seasoning. Now I have garlic and onion powder and also paprika. Now I'm going to be pouring all that over the chicken, and to brown it, I'm going to be using the grease browning, guys. Ensure not to use a lot because your chicken tend to get a bit bitter if you go overboard with that browning. Yeah. Now guys, you guys can go ahead and use a glove or not, which I'm not using, but my nails were a bit dark afterwards, so I regretted not using a glove. But if you don't have one, just go ahead and use your hand and just rub all that season in. Now in a skillet on medium to high heat, I'm adding 3 tablespoons of corn oil. Now I'm going to be allowing that to heat, then add your chicken parts. Not the vegetables, just the parts, because you don't want your vegetables to overcooked, yeah? Now you're going to stir that for about 10 seconds or so. Then you're going to cover it and allow it to make its own juice. Now this is how it looks, guys, after 8 minutes. You're just going to give that a quick stir one last time. Then you're going to be adding your vegetables along with 3 cups of water. And you're going to pour all that over. Give it a quick stir one last time. And you're going to cook this for about 10 minutes on medium to high heat. Now after that 10 minutes is up, you're going to give that another quick stir. Then I'm going to be adding my ketchup just to give it a little flavor, which is also optional, guys. It's just my preference. So now guys, I'm going to be reducing the heat and I'm going to allow this just to simmer and reduce for an additional 8 minutes. And guys, this is the side that I'll be using. This is roasted breadfruit, which I'm actually frying. My favorite. And here we have the final product, guys. As I've mentioned, I went ahead and served this with fried breadfruit. You guys can serve this up with rice or whatever carb you guys have on hand. I love you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you did. Comment, share, and most importantly, guys, subscribe. And I'll certainly see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.